Hey there, are you running into the pesky error that says this message cannot be displayed because a problem repeatedly occurred on your iPhone when trying to check your emails? Don't worry, this is a common hiccup that usually pops up due to corrupted emails, a shaky internet connection, or even some glitches with the mail app itself. Let's walk through some simple solutions to help you get back on track. Solution 1. Refresh the mail app. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double click the home button if you're using an older iPhone. Now look for the Mail app in the list of open apps. After that, swipe up on the Mail app preview to force close it. Finally, reopen the Mail app and give that message another try. Solution 2. Check internet connection. Next, swipe down to open the control center. Make sure to turn on airplane mode for a moment. After that, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Now ensure you have a stable and speedy connection before attempting to open the email again. Solution 3. Remove and re-add the email account. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down until you find the Mail option and tap on it. Next, tap on Accounts. Select the email account that's causing you trouble. After that, tap Delete Account. Go back to Accounts and tap Add Account to re-add your email account. Solution 4. Download and re-download the email. Now open the Mail app, find the troublesome email and delete it from your inbox. Then head over to the trash and restore that email. Finally, try opening the restored email once more. Solution 5. Offload and reinstall the Mail app. Now open the settings again, tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on Mail. After that, tap Offload App and confirm your choice. Finally, once offloaded, tap Reinstall App to get it back. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the "this message cannot be displayed" error on your iPhone. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to reach out for more help. Happy email!